Okay, so what do I think about the closure of Halloween during the pandemic? Well, one thing I believe is that many children, especially those in the young ages, like grades 1, 2, 3, and 4, were the most disappointed because, unlike maybe a few loot bags and stuff, it's one of the only times in the year where you can get free candy. Yes, you can occasionally get free candy, like in loot bags and stuff. However, on Halloween, you get like big bags of candy all for free, which gets most kids excited. However, due to this year's pandemic of COVID, they'll be unable to do that, which I can understand will be extremely sad for them. But the good news is there's millions, maybe trillions, for all I know, of alternatives. For example, when I got too old to go trick or treating, what I used to do is I would just occasionally wear a costume. We would just walk across the neighborhood looking at houses, how they were nicely decorated. We would occasionally maybe go get like a latte or something and just drink and walk. You know what I'm saying? And another possibility they could do is, even though this sounds ridiculous, they could use. There might be other ways that you can still get the candy, such as finding social distancing, like those pinching claws you get at dollar stores. However, that might be slightly impractical. So what I advise is, what I think should be a good idea is, we just find ways to alternatives and make sure that if a kid starts asking questions, tell them. Don't sugarcoat it unless you absolutely are concerned. Just tell them how it is and find alternatives. That way they can change the subject and find some alternatives and just try to keep them happy.